and a helping hand, a tracking device to keep wandering loved ones close. A new gadget is giving carers of dementia sufferers peace of mind. The wrist-worn device with inbuilt GPS, allowing relatives to keep track of their loved ones.
Dennis and Kath Henschke have been married 57 years, but their partnership was forever altered when Kath was diagnosed with dementia 7 years ago.
We've been living in each other's pockets more, I suppose, because there is a security factor.
That security factor highlighted when Kath got lost on her way home from the local shops. She'd wandered several kilometres from home, and it took a police dog squad and rescue helicopter to find her 7 hours later.
She admitted to me that she'd been terrified, through the whole experience. And it was at that stage that we started looking for security devices.
Now, a gadget recently available in Australia is helping hundreds of families like the Henschkes. The GOS Keeper has a built-in GPS. The wrist-worn gadget wired to a 24-hour monitoring centre. One call to the centre can provide location details down to the street and house number.
And it takes the responsibility off a carer directly monitoring on a minute-by-minute basis, and that's where the respite and confidence comes from.
Carers can also speak directly to the wearer of the device, offering a reassuring voice until they're located. A panic button is also included. While the device is primarily designed to assist people like Dennis and Kath, trials are currently underway to test whether children with autism may also be able to benefit.
I know that when Kath is at an event away from me, I feel much more relaxed about the situation.
Gia Laux, 10 News.